Hello everyone, how to use Sweep to clean your inbox in New Outlook. So let's start. First open your new Outlook, and here the first click on the any email from the sender you want to clean up. So I select this PND Take Sender email and then go to the Home tab. In Move Group, click on the Sweep option, and you can see the Sweep Messages dialog box is open. For messages from the sender, and you can see the four option available. You can select as per your need. So first one, move all messages from the inbox folder, and here the move to select the folder where you want to move this sender message. I just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the list of folder. You can create here the new folder also, and if you want to check the different folder, just click on the option and you can see the list of folders showing. So here I select the archive folder. To move all the emails in archive folder, click on the move, and here the archive folder is selected. Then click on OK, and that's it. All the PNG take email is moved in archive. After that, go to the View tab and click on the Sync option. Okay, now here you can see the all PNG take email is moved in archive folder. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can use the sweep to clean your inbox in New Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.